Namaste, friends. Today, I will take you back to the night where it shook India. It was horrible night, 26 November 2008. It was a massive attack on India, basically in Mumbai Terror Attack. That night was lot of fear, destruction, unimaginable pain. But during the same night, it revealed some of the strongest leadership lessons that world have ever seen. Leaders put people first. The attack was happen on Taj Hotel, Tata Group's beautiful, great seven-star hotel. When the terrorists entered, they started firing. They started burning everything. But the hotel staff, they understood the danger. Their focus was to making sure how their guests will be safe because they thought guests are their responsibility. That's a leadership thought, right? Few forms human shield. Some carries families through smoke-filled corridors. Some lost their lives while saving strangers. So leadership is not a position. Leadership is a responsibility. Same night when we had Mumbai Police did a great job. This is a sign of courage. During that time, Mumbai Police reached first. They had old bulletproof jackets, their guns were basic, no preparation. So later on, this Mumbai Police who handled this situation, NSG commandos landed and then rappelled from helicopter and entered to the burning building. So leadership is not about having the best tools, it is about having the bravest heart. That's a beautiful message which is given by the Mumbai Police. Crises don't build leaders, they reveal them. During this attack, different team could be police, NSG, fire brigade, hotel staff, doctor, everything work together as a single team towards a great mission, one mission to save every possible life. No ego, no blame, no game, only action. Leadership is to unite people under pressure and not to divide them. Communication was very, very crucial during this time. That effective communication by this staff to the all guests. Go slow, follow the routes, don't use corridor, continuous communication. Similar way, commandos were coordinated with building layouts, police communicated with coordinates, doctors communicated with critical needs. One message that saved dozens of lives. Great leaders communicate clearly, quickly, and calmly, especially during the chaos time. Now, most of the people, when they see their belongings burning in front of their eyes, what could have happened for the person? A true leader, real Bharat Ratna, Sir Ratan Tata ji, will still not exist, but the gentlemen show their courageous heart. During this attack, Ratan Tata personally visited every injured staff member, every victim's family. He listened, he cried with them, he supported them. There was no media, no publicity, just presence. Great leaders lead from their hearts, not only from their brain. Now, there are a lot of things we could learn from this 26/11. This was a really a painful memory of India, but this was also given the leadership lessons of courage, compassion, responsibility, and unite to fight against terror. Leadership is not about being in charge. Leadership is about taking the charge even then your life is at risk. That's what the core message of the leadership from this 26/11. I hope you learn from this painful story, Mumbai attack. I salute to all these real heroes, police, NSGs, staff, and leaders also, who help not only for Mumbai, but this was showcased the strength of India to the nation that we can handle such kind of things, even though we had lack of preparation and poor tools during that time. Later on, everything was taken care. I'm sure this learning might have given some hard touch to you also. If you feel good about this learning, if you feel pain about Mumbai, if you feel your police, commandos, your staff were courageous during this time, then I request to like this, pour your comments with your heartfelt emotions and share it with all people, those who really would like to learn such kind of leadership during the crisis. Thanks for watching this. You can connect me on my WhatsApp 988053737 and ganeshindustrialpride@yahoo.com for more detail. Let's connect tomorrow for new learnings and new story. Till that time, bye for now and once again, Jai Hind.